Ever wonder why the rich never seem to run out of money? Could the secret lie in multiple income streams? In this era of a wildly fluctuating global economy, it's become more apparent than ever that relying solely on one source of income can be akin to skating on thin ice. Jobs and businesses that once seemed rock solid can now evaporate in the blink of an eye, leaving those who were dependent on them in a precarious financial state. This unpredictability, while daunting, can also be a catalyst for change. It nudges us towards the wisdom of not placing all our financial eggs in one basket and instead spreading them out across multiple baskets, or in this case, income streams. It's a strategy that's not just for the jet-setting elite, but is equally, if not more, important for the everyday individual. So, what are the benefits of having multiple income streams? Well, the first and most obvious benefit is financial security. When you have more than one stream of income, the loss of one won't be as devastating and you'll have a safety net to fall back on. But it's not just about safeguarding against loss. It's also about wealth accumulation. When you have multiple income streams, you have more money coming in, and that extra income can be used to invest in more income-generating assets. It's a cycle that, when managed well, can lead to exponential growth in wealth. And let's not forget the psychological benefits. Having multiple income streams can provide a sense of control over your financial future. It's empowering to know that you're not at the mercy of one job or one business. You're not just a passive participant in your financial journey, but an active driver. But creating multiple income streams is not a walk in the park. It requires planning, dedication, and a keen understanding of how different income streams work. It's a journey, but one that's well worth embarking on. So, if you want to achieve financial freedom, creating multiple income streams isn't an option. It's a necessity. But what exactly are these multiple income streams we're talking about? Well, it's not as complicated as it might sound. There are essentially three types of income streams: earned income, passive income, and portfolio income. Let's start with earned income. This is the type of income most people are familiar with. It's the paycheck you receive from your job. When you trade your time and energy for money, that's earned income. It's reliable, but it's also limited because there are only so many hours in a day. Next, we have passive income. This is the holy grail of income streams. It's money that you earn without having to actively work for it. This might sound like a dream, but it's a reality for many people. Examples of passive income include rental income from real estate, royalties from a book or music, or income from a business that you own but don't actively manage. The upside of passive income is that it can free up your time, allowing you to focus on other things. But remember, creating passive income often requires a substantial upfront investment of time, money, or both. Lastly, we have portfolio income. This is income generated from investments like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other securities. If you have a retirement account or a brokerage account, you're probably already earning portfolio income. The beauty of portfolio income is that it can grow exponentially thanks to the power of compound interest. But it also comes with risks. The value of your investments can go down as well as up, and there's always the possibility of losing money. So there you have it: earned income, passive income, and portfolio income. Each has its own benefits and challenges. But by understanding these three types of income streams, you can start to think about how you might diversify your own income. Understanding these types of income streams is the first step to diversifying your income. And diversification is key to financial stability and freedom. So stay tuned, because in the next scene, we're going to dive into how you can start creating these multiple income streams for yourself. Now that we know what multiple income streams are, how do we go about creating them? Well, let's dive right into it. The path to creating multiple income streams first begins with a good understanding of yourself. Identify your skills, talents, and passions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? These questions are extremely important because they will guide you towards income streams that will not only generate revenue, but also bring you joy and satisfaction. Once you've identified your skill set and passion, the next step is to create a financial plan. This is where you take a close look at your current financial status and set clear, attainable financial goals for yourself. A well-structured financial plan will guide your income-generating ventures, helping you to decide what to invest in and how much to invest. It's your roadmap to financial triumph, so don't skip this step. Next, consider investing in assets. Assets are investments that generate income over time. These can take many forms such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and even businesses. For example, buying a rental property is an investment in real estate. The rent you collect from your tenants is your income stream. Similarly, buying shares in a company is an investment in stocks. The dividends you receive from the company are your income stream. However, investing in assets requires some degree of financial literacy. You'll need to understand how these investments work, the risks involved, and how to manage these risks. That's why it's always a good idea to educate yourself, seek advice from financial advisors, or take financial literacy courses. Another way to create multiple income streams is by starting side businesses or ventures. This can be anything from starting a blog, opening an online store, offering freelance services, to starting your own consultancy firm. The possibilities are endless. The key is to leverage your skills, talents, and passions to create a product or service that people need and are willing to pay for. And lastly, don't forget to diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By having multiple income streams from different sources, you reduce the risk of financial instability. If one income stream suffers, the others can help cushion the blow. Creating multiple income streams may sound daunting, but remember, every journey starts with a single step. It's not about becoming a millionaire overnight. It's about taking small, consistent steps towards financial independence and security. It's about creating a life where you're not solely reliant on a single source of income. And above all, it's about creating a life you love, a life that aligns with your values and aspirations. Because at the end of the day, that's what truly matters. Remember, creating multiple income streams doesn't happen overnight. It requires time, effort, and strategic planning. But with persistence and a good plan in place, you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. Managing multiple income streams may seem daunting, but with these tips, it doesn't have to be. Firstly, consider automating your finances. This means setting up systems that take care of financial tasks automatically. For instance, you can set up automatic transfers from your bank account into your savings or investment accounts. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that you're consistently contributing to your financial goals. Secondly, keep track of your income and expenses. This is crucial in managing multiple income streams, as it allows you to see where your money is coming from and where it's going. You might discover that one income stream is not as profitable as you thought, or that another is costing you more in expenses than you realized. There are plenty of apps and tools available that can help make this process easier. Thirdly, regularly review and adjust your financial goals. Just as you would with a single income stream, you should be reassessing your financial situation and goals on a regular basis when you have multiple income streams. This might mean adjusting your savings goals, investing more in a profitable income stream, or even cutting an unprofitable one. Additionally, consider diversifying your income streams. This is not only a great way to spread risk, but also provides you with the opportunity to explore new avenues of income. Investing in different sectors, industries, or even countries can help ensure that your income doesn't take a hit if one area suffers. Lastly, don't forget about taxes. Multiple income streams mean multiple tax considerations. Be sure to understand the tax implications of each income stream and plan accordingly. Remember, managing multiple income streams can be a challenge, but it's also an opportunity. With these tips, you can not only manage your income streams effectively, but also make the most of them. With proper management, multiple income streams can lead to financial freedom and wealth accumulation. So, we've talked about why it's important to have money coming in from different places and how to make that happen, but we've only scratched the surface. We figured out why having different ways to make money is important in today's fast-changing world. We've learned about the different kinds of income, from money that comes in without us doing much for it, to money we have to work for, and how each kind can make us feel more secure about our money. We've looked at how to start making these different kinds of money, from finding good opportunities to using our time and stuff wisely. Last, we've learned some tricks about how to handle all these money streams without feeling like we're drowning. This whole thing shows how important it is to have a mix of different types of money. It's not just about getting by, but doing really well in this new time. Remember, the secret is being ready, flexible, and tough. Hello, my friends. You've reached the end of the video, and I want to express my sincere gratitude for sticking around until the conclusion. Your support means the world to me, and I genuinely appreciate your time and engagement. If you enjoyed the video, don't hesitate to show it some love by hitting the like button. I valued your feedback, so please drop a comment below letting me know your thoughts. My channel focuses on producing entertaining documentary-style videos covering topics related to business, finance, and life in general. If that aligns with your interests, consider subscribing and ringing the notification bell to stay updated on future content. Thank you again for being part of this journey, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day. See you in the next one. Join us in the next video, where we'll talk deeper into the role of emotional intelligence in business for success. Stay tuned and see you then.